What?
Sure took the old motor mounts off that other motor to keep them in a wreck.
Morning, afternoon, and night. So I catch you whatever time you're at or I'm at. Well, we just bought a new cheap Evercraft 2-ton. This part's not very long, it's just barely long enough. But anyways, on this motor, we took the manifold, and the exhaust manifold off. And when we were putting it down, we had it turned this way. And we dropped it down so far, and then we turned it. And that's where we're at right now. Now we're putting the motor mount back on and the exhaust manifold back on. And we broke one plug wire.
Can't put it back together now.
No, it's broke.
That sucks.
Yeah.
That's why you don't jerk on them.
When you're taking these off, you start with the top. You take the top off because it's pretty easy.
Yeah.
And once you get the top took off and you get to the bottom, you want to twist it really good. Like twist it around and round before you attempt to pull them off. They do make a special tool that's supposed to sneak around and hook. It hooks that little thing, but I don't have one. Anyways, that's your public service announcement for tonight. And we tried the last time we pulled it out like this, and we had to we got to come along right here and just stretch the shit out of it. I hope I don't have to hit this back. Well, anyways, that's it for tonight, folks. Comment, like, and subscribe, and share, and all other happy horse shit. Have a nice life. Have a nice day. Happy tow truck and Silverado. The Duramax has been putting engines in GMC trucks. Later. Bye.